On March 6, 1836, the Alamo fell. All of their the defenders were killed, and it started the runaway scrape, where people were fleeing to the east towards Louisiana as fast as they could in heavy rain and mud. So in this video, we're going to go over a site that in between when the Alamo fell and the runaway scrape, where the Texans under Sam Houston, they were moving to the east, stopped at Groce's Ferry because the Brazos River was swollen, and they spent a couple of weeks from late March into April of 1836 camping. And they used that time wisely to train and become a stronger army, and also receive 2 cannons as a gift from the people of Cincinnati, Ohio. So during this time period, it was a really, really rainy kind of time period. So very muddy, harsh kind of conditions. But once again, they drilled and got ready for the upcoming battle that Sam Houston knew he was going to be going up against some very tough, well-trained Mexican soldiers. But they also got the twin sisters that showed up that gave them an even bigger boost. So not huge cannons, but were the only cannons that they had, and gift from the people of Cincinnati, Ohio, and they received them while they're at Groce's Ferry. So there's a lot of mystery around the cannons, where they are today, but they got used to them and used them effectively during the Battle of San Jacinto. So today, what you will see at, there's not a whole lot left of the site, but it is a site that you can go see. There's a historic marker. Texas does a pretty good job with their historic markers that you can go see where this campsite was. The Brazos River has changed course, so it's no longer at the site of the marker, but you can still at least see where it was historically. So where do you go to see this marker and this historic site? Well, it's off of FM 1887, just south of Hempstead. And you can see the Brazos River is now to the west, but it would have been at this location. And you can see the marker where from March 30th to April 12th, the Texas Army camped there, getting ready for their victory at San Jacinto. So an interesting little bit of history, and a place, if you happen to be in the area, it's a pretty area of pastures and farms, so it's a nice little palm drive as well to go see this site. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe to help our channel out, and contact us at ET Family Travel to plan your next adventure.